Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECLAST T60 and let me share with you how to change video resolution or size in this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Let's tap on it, and for the purpose of the video and for better viewing everything, I have to turn the device. So if you are on the capture mode, so the standard mode, simply change it to the video. If you can see the red color inside the shutter button, for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can take a look at this option bar, and let's tap on the settings, which are in the right upper corner. And in the video settings, the first option is video size for the back camera. So let's tap on it. And in this device, we've got three different options, so FHD, HD, and SD. So simply tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll choose HD. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, your device will use the chosen resolution or size whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.